The purpose of this video is to show you some basic features of the Opposing Viewpoints database. This database offers nearly 500 current event topics with information deriving from academic journals, newspapers, magazines, and primary sources. If you already have a topic in mind, either type your search term into the search box or click on Advanced Search. This will be demonstrated further in another video. If you have not decided on a topic, then scroll toward the bottom of the home page. By clicking on the name of a category, you will see a list of relevant topics or issues that you might want to research. Use the drop-down box toward the upper left corner of the page if you want to change the category. Next, click on the topic that you want to research, such as gun control. After you click on gun control, a topic overview appears. Click on Read More to see for and against positions. Navigation links are located in the right margin and offer quick access to different parts of the article. To cite an article, click on the Cite link located in the toolbar. The three citation formats are MLA, APA, and Chicago. To save the article, click on Send To. This allows you to save the article through Google Drive, OneDrive, or email. You can also download or print the article. Links to other related information are located in the right margin. If you have further questions about using the Opposing Viewpoints database or any other library database, feel free to reach out to us.